Summer invites us to spend more time outside soaking up the sun and enjoy time with family and friends. The carefreeness of summer means we should think about simple meal planning solutions. That's why Food City has Dish and a Dash recipes. These come together in 30 minutes or less and feature some of our favorite nutrient-rich picks.
Yes, and the first dish we want to talk about saves time by utilizing the grill and opting for a pre-made marinade to quickly infuse that delicious flavor. So these ginger glazed pork and peach kebabs are perfect. They're full of flavor and they highlight the best of summer produce with sweet, juicy peaches and crisp bell peppers, and they're balanced by that succulent pork tenderloin. Now, utilizing the grill is perfect because one, it's not going to heat up your kitchen, and it's actually a little bit faster than using the oven.
And I love to, you're not adding a lot of fat with doing that because pork tenderloin is a lean cut of meat that actually meets the American Heart Association heart check mark. It supplies those essential nutrients without that added saturated fat, which is fantastic. And it's also rich in B vitamins, specifically thiamine, which helps supports our metabolism. So when we think about lean protein cuts, I don't think we always think of pork. So I love that quick meal solution.
Right, we can't overlook the pork. That is a great tip. So the next one we want to talk about are these fish tacos. That's another delicacy of the summer months, right? We love them because they're refreshing, they're full of flavor, and this variation utilizes pre-cooked shrimp from Food City Seafood Department that's been tossed with a quick chili marinade, and shrimp offers plenty of that lean protein, like you mentioned. It's also rich in the mineral selenium, which plays a critical role in DNA synthesis and helps to protect against cell damage caused by free radicals.
Absolutely. So not only does it not have that added fat, it also has those beneficial nutrients to support our health. And when it comes with making sure we're feeling flavor in that, we can also have quick solutions like this salsa, which features corn. It has some peppers in there, and we're also featuring a chipotle mayo to infuse a little bit of flavor, but we're not forgetting our produce with this, and a shortcut cabbage is a great way to add crunch, a little bit of fiber, and a little bit of extra nutrients in that base.
I love that, and the chipotle mayo sounds so good. Yes. Well, the last dish in a dash is perfect if you're new to trying fish and new to preparing it. It's perfect for a weeknight meal. It's grilled fish in a foil packet. Now, this recipe features mahi-mahi, which is a sweet, mild tasting fish paired with a quick pineapple relish, and it's an excellent source of protein that features beneficial B vitamins to support liver and brain function. Use a simple flavoring from salt, pepper, garlic pepper, and fresh cilantro to season fish fillets.
And of course, the technique here is still going back to using that grill like we did with the pork, but that foil packet is going to allow us to make this quick pineapple relish that pairs using a canned pineapple with recipe-ready shortcuts like bell pepper and onion. And then a quick way to infuse flavor is with these convenient jarred minced ginger. They also have some garlic options, so that's a great thing to keep in your pantry for easy meals. You just want to pair that together. You put the fish on top of the relish, fold that pouch, and it goes directly on the grill, and voila, you have a quick and delicious meal ready in minutes.
I love the minced ginger. That is so smart. Well, whether you're looking to save minutes in the kitchen or simply just want to find tasty, nutritious meals, you can visit foodcity.com for more inspired, time-saving Dish and a Dash recipes.